not running today. So say this is 3 or 4 years ago we had the ovens all rebuilt and a new PLC put on it. This is the brown 84 by 48. So it's a 4-station. It's just a cooling box with fans in there that we use. It's actually usually running. Right now it's automotive part and the customer's down, so we stopped running. It's running these in here. Don't know if you're going to be able to see them. That's what we're running now. Hey there. I'm good. I don't know if he's going to get it all from this, but we'll try. Got too dark, I don't think you're going to see the vacuum pump. It's there, it's running, working. This is if auxiliary if we want to either bypass the pump or use the pump on other jobs. We hook this up to align the system here and we can use the vacuum to other machines if we need it.